Welcome to all of you, and today we will learn about the topic Ohm's law. Ohm's law, and this is for class 10. And first topic, as you know, first topic in class 10 is electricity, and a main topic and article of this chapter is Ohm's law. So now today we will learn about Ohm's law, and here is the first read about the statement of the Ohm's law. At constant temperature and pressure, at constant temperature and pressure, the potential difference across a conductor is directly proportional to the electric current that passes through the conductor. So here it is given by, suppose there is a conductor and here two ends are VA and VB, and so potential at these two ends are indicated as VA and VB. So the potential difference across the conductor is given by the difference between the electric potential at two distinct points, and that is V equals to VA minus VB, and the electric current that flows through the wire or conductor is I. So here electric current is I. And if mathematically we want to write the Ohm's law mathematically, suppose potential difference across the conductor is V, and the current passes through the conductor is I, then according to Ohm's law, V varies I. Here V is the potential difference and I is the electric current. Suppose I, electric current is I, then V varies I, or V equals to IR. Here R is a constant and known as resistance. So we write here R is a constant and called resistance. So V equals to IR and R equals to V by I. R equals to V by I. Here R indicates resistance. R is used for resistance. So if there is a conductor and the potential difference across the conductor is V, and I amount of electric current passes through the conductor, then according to Ohm's, V varies I, or V equals to IR, where R is a constant and called the resistance. Resistance is a property of a material or a conductor by which it resists or it opposes the flow of electrons from the conductor. So here R indicates resistance. Now if we draw a graph between V and I, the graph is always a straight line. So a straight line graph shows that R is a constant. The graph drawn between V and I is a straight line. A straight line. A straight line graph. A straight line graph shows that a straight line graph shows that R is a constant. R is a constant. So it is very simple to know about Ohm's law. Here, at constant temperature and pressure, sometimes called physical properties of conductor. So at constant temperature and pressure, the potential difference across a conductor is directly proportional to the electric current that flows through the conductor. Mathematically, we can write F varies I, V equals to IR, where R is a constant and called resistance. Resistance is the property of a conductor by virtue of which it resists or opposes the flow of electrons through the conductor. And if a graph is drawn between the potential difference V and electric current I that flows through the conductor, then it is always a straight line. And so a straight line graph shows that resistance remains constant. Ohm's law is valid only for that kind of conductor which is ohmic conductor. Mainly there are two different kinds of conductor, ohmic conductor and non-ohmic conductor, and it is valid only for ohmic conductor. It means conductor or materials that verified Ohm's law is called ohmic conductor. So, thank you.